What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Now we have a package in front of me, and now it's already been opened, obviously, because I don't always like to open packages and waste your time having you watch me open up a box or a package. But I figured it's already open. I had to check some stuff out, and I went ahead and just put it back in just until I got to the video because I haven't actually opened up the knife yet. Now it is from Exceed Design, and the reason I waited to, I guess, open up the package completely is because there were some issues. And I just wanted to go over that first real quick. It obviously is the Tyrant Razor V3. I've been wanting to check this out for a while, at least a razor from them, something from them. They have a lot of cool stuff over there. And they have the new Avar, which I hear great. I don't know, I may have pronounced that wrong, but they have a lot of great knives over there, so check them out. Not a lot of great knives, but like a great knife over there. I've heard great things about it. Check it out if you want one. I think it's like $200 some maybe, give or take. I don't know. I think 200. Check it out though. But let me make sure about the information real quick. My name and information and on there. Yada 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 yada. Okay. So let's get into it real quick. Now it does. I'm not going to give you the other side because it's got my address on the other side of my name, all that type of stuff that you want to know about. I paid for this, and I paid for an extra pocket clip because I wanted a smaller pocket clip. And I paid for a scale, an extra scale, because I wanted to try something a little different. Now, the problem was, this is not the pocket clip I ordered. This is the PVD version of it. And I wanted just the plain stonewash version. And the scale is the slash version, and I ordered the micro. And I'm not like upset or anything like that. I emailed them immediately. The only thing that sucked was, it was a Friday, and it was at like 6 o'clock. I think when I got home and was able to open this up real quick and check it out. So they're not going to be able to reply always immediately. I did get one. I got 2 emails sent, and they only got able to reply back to one, or they were only able to reply once to me. So I got them all the information. I said, "Hey, what's up? You know, this isn't right. This isn't right. I'll just make sure I'm in contact with the right person. Who do I need to talk to for this?" She's like, "Hey, you got here. This is the right place." And she was super cool, super nice. She's just sending me a picture and everything, and we'll get everything resolved. So obviously I haven't heard back after I sent the picture and replied back, but I showed her, I sent a picture of my paperwork and this stuff, and I said, hey, this is what's wrong. The razor's right. These 2 things are just wrong. No big deal. So she was super cool, super nice. So I think this is going to be a super easy thing to fix, which is nice. You know, I think I give Exceed Design props for that. So hopefully I'll let you guys know down the road, because I'm obviously not going to put these on this. I'll probably do another video later putting the new stuff on this, and then I'll just show you guys then, and I'll explain more to you. So that's something I was just wanting to break down for you real quick. So I give that props. Like, they were very, I think she replied back within 5 minutes. So that's really cool. Now another thing is, it did take a few extra days to get prepped and sent to me and everything. And what I thought was kind of cool, they had all this stuff out because they've also been banned from Instagram. They're in Instagram jail, blah, 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 because Instagram's being a turd right now. And if you have a knife on your freaking Instagram, you're shadow banned, this or that. It's kind of just stupid. But they have a lot of cool information, like about disassembly and all this type of stuff. So that's really nice. And also, since it took a little bit to get this out, they put in a high-end black ceramic detent ball, like a better, like a upgraded, as they said. So I thought that was really cool. So that's really cool. I like that. Like, again, they got props with me. But let's go ahead and pop this baby open. I saw that was a little damaged right there, so I hope nothing's really, you know, too many problems. I doubt it, but it's damaged enough that it might give you a little worry, maybe. Just maybe. Obviously, here's the instruction manual on it. I don't know if it really... So, yeah, just telling you how to do stuff. Okay, yep, just basic stuff. There's your little thank you for choosing Exceed Designs. We want to help. Oh, yep, just general information. It's easy stuff. Oh, here it is. Here's the Avar. See, I don't know if it's Avar. I'm not sure, but it really does look like a cool knife. They have a stonewash version, or they have a black version. I don't know if it's DLC or PVD or what it is. I'm not quite sure. Just a couple more razors right there. Exceed Design stickers. All right, here we go. Now, this is what it is. Now, what I was wanting to switch, as you guys saw, let me show you again. Now, I like the micro slash better of this, and I was wanting to put it on this side and have like a 2-tone type thing, because I was going to keep this black little pivot right there. I was going to leave the black there and put this right here, obviously, to make it 2-tone. And then on this side, obviously leave this black and have a stone washed, like this, obviously color, pocket clip right there. And I thought that was going to be kind of dope, you know, a little two-tone there, a little reverse tux type looking thing. I don't know. Call me a nerd. I was kind of like, you know, thought it was cool. So what I liked about them is that you can obviously change stuff around. This is kind of nice. Like I have one of these from Big Idea Designs. It's not bad. I like theirs too. But I like that you can customize this. It's pretty cool. A good little touch, I'd like to think, by Exceed Designs, excuse me. I squeaked. I told y'all I'm kind of been sick off and on. And as I just said, I squeaked again. My goodness, I'm hitting puberty at 37. This thing opens pretty sweet. It's super buttery, especially for a daggone utility blade. Talk about fancy, right? Fancy, fancy. Let me see the price real quick and let you guys know what it is. For this right here alone, $91. That's not bad, especially for I think it's yeah, it is a titanium utility knife. It's not very big either. It's quite small actually if you look at it in my hand. And the extra parts were an additional $35. Now, the pocket clip, the smaller pocket clip obviously was $6 extra. But you also get to keep the big one if you ever want to change it out. So they also offer to put everything on. Obviously, you have to pay a little money, like $6, but they will take all your stuff that you ordered extra, and they will put it on there for you, which is super cool. Like, even though I think I can do it myself, you know, I think it's just kind of cool that they would offer that at least option to you, even though it's not free. You know, no big deal, but it's kind of cool. I didn't like the big pocket clip in the pictures, and now I definitely understand why I don't. It is just too big. I feel like I feel like it almost goes to it's over halfway. It is definitely over halfway. And I don't really like big pocket clips if I can help it. Not like that at least. Not on something this small. Like if you look here, like that's perfect. It's not halfway. It's shorter than the knife. Same with this. Like I would even say that's maybe even close to half. That's probably kind of almost close to halfway. It just depends, you know. Honestly, for this one, the XL, it could have been a little longer, I think. And that's why I said, if you saw the video on this thing, get the bigger pocket clip, get the titanium one. It'll be better in the long run. Flipper tab is, no, there's no jimping on it. If you can kind of see it, there you go. There's no jimping, but I have not had any problems flipping it open. I think it's just because it's so like small and buttery. Like there's no struggle at all. Like it's really, it's silky smooth, silky smooth. It is a liner lock if you didn't notice it, and I like that it is kind of smaller right there. Like they don't have it like down farther. I think that's a good touch that they did that. Now, this is the one thing I wanted to check out, how to get this out. I saw Metal Complex. I'm so freaking, I need to learn how to talk because I've been sick, and when I'm sick like this, and I just squeaked again, my goodness. When I'm sick like this, like I squeak and I get my words mixed up real bad, like I'll just kind of blend words together. Metal Complex, his YouTube channel, he actually just did a video on this. He actually couldn't get it out, so all they said was push it out and it should come out pretty easy. So, okay, so I don't have any problems with it, so that's good. Let's see if it goes back in though. Okay, so there you go. I'll do it up closer so you can see it. You push this little bar down right here. Or you kind of push down to the side, and you got to do it a little strong, and it comes right out. And this is a Tajima V-Rex 2 utility blade. Can't really see it because it's all oiled up, but and then it does take a little bit of muscle to get it in there, though. I'll give it that. Just make sure it clicks in there, then you're good to go. It does have a lanyard hole right there. I guess you want to put a lanyard on it. It's all your preference, obviously. It definitely is oiled up, so no, they don't want no issues in shipping and stuff like that. Looks like it's got like a smudge or something in the. See right there. I don't know if I can't get that out. So that's a little goofy. So there's it says there's a little bit of room right there. When I take it all apart to get the new one put on, the new scale, obviously I can clean that up a little bit, obviously. But it is real small. Let's kind of get into what else came with it real quick. Obviously you have extra utility knives. I think there's 10 of them, does it say? Yeah, okay, 10 right there. That's kind of cool too. You didn't, maybe you did pay for them, I guess, but and the price when you ordered it, but $91 for this, 10 extra blades. You have a little screwdriver, little screwdriver. That looks like a T6 right there, and that's a T8. It comes with extra screws. I don't know exactly what this is. Maybe that's something with the liner lock right there, the detent ball, all that type of stuff. Yep, I don't know if that's just an extra one or something different. Not quite sure. I don't know what was there though. Not that's if you order an extra backspacer. Yeah. I think that's what that is. If you order an extra backspacer, because again, you can customize this. You can get one where it's smooth on the backside. You can get this one with the lanyard hole. I kind of just wanted that just to, I think it looks better, even though I don't want to put a lanyard on it. Well, they also have one where it's got like I think you might still be able to put a lanyard hole on it. I don't know, or a lanyard bead on it. I'm not sure, but I know it's got a pry bar. I don't know if it's got both, like the hole and the pry bar. But yeah, so it's kind of cool. Obviously, it costs a little extra, but it's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Obviously, it comes with a extra pivot right there. Obviously, I don't know why, but it just does. I'm not going to argue, just in case, in case it ever gets scratched up or something. This is, and there's something else there too. I don't know what all this stuff is necessarily. Oh, that's for the lock right there, the bar lock, or this bar stop here. That's for this right here, for the pivot when you flip it open. Oh, let me get you on camera real quick. See here. Let me get a flashlight. Let me get a flashlight real quick. See that little bar right there? That's what that is. Okay, so that makes sense. Somehow you get it in there, and obviously when you take it apart. This little guy it's got a screw on it, and it probably goes, I don't know. Yep, I don't know. I don't know if it's one of these. It's probably for this screw right here, something right here. So obviously that's what I'm guessing it is. But yeah, so it comes with extra stuff. Now that's what I like too. For $91, you get all this. You get 10 extra blades, you get this, and you can customize it. And $91 was also, that's for the extra pocket clip. So that's on top of it too. So you get a lot for your money. I can't say enough good things about them right now because I'll let you know more. I'll let you know more in the video coming when I get everything put on it and fixed and everything. But I'll let you know. So far, Exceed Designs has been really nice to deal with so far. Obviously, I got some more emailing and talking to deal with them. And if that changes, obviously, I'll let y'all know. But so far, their customer service is great. I don't say that a lot. I've had a couple turtley experiences with a couple companies. I don't name names, stuff like that, too much. I guess it's not really anything to complain about too much. But some companies are nicer than others. They're one of them right now. So I suggest picking one of these up. You're not going to be upset for the price. If you want a cool little pimp utility knife, go to Exceed Designs, excuse me, and check them out. But that's all I got. If you guys like a different one, I do a lot of videos over utility knives. If you have any suggestions to check out, let me know. I check out a lot of budget ones because I use a lot of budget ones for work and stuff like that because they're easier to tear up. They break, tear up, you lose them. I've lost several of them just because I'm in crawl space and I'm crawling around. I'm in attics, and you just lose them. Like they fall out of your pocket, and then like if you're up in an attic and they have blown insulation up there, you ain't gonna go find it. Ain't no point. And I'm not gonna use that up in an attic just because I paid a little extra money on it, a little extra. But yeah, if you guys have any other like companies that you want me to check out, utility knife wise, or just brands or stuff like that, let me know down in the comment section. And if you guys like the video, just leave a thumbs up, please. Thanks.